Hi grade 4. So I'm going to review fractions with you, and this is something that we started before we went to spring break, and we're going to continue talking a lot more about fractions and decimals moving forward. But for a quick review on fractions, remember the top number of a fraction is the number of equal parts counted. That's how many parts we count. And the denominator, the bottom number, is the number of equal parts of a whole. Okay, so as you can see in my picture down here, this is the whole and it's into 10 equal parts. All right, and shaded in is how many we're counting, which resembles the 4 at the top of our fraction. So this picture here shows 4 over 10, or we can write as 4/10. Now it's really important that we make it into 10 equal parts. If we do something like this, you can see that my squares inside the whole are not equal. So this is not equal to 4 over 10, right? Because there's some smaller parts and some bigger parts. Okay, you can choose to use another method to show 4/10. I can make it into a circle and cut 10 equal pieces. All right, then I can color in 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so my pieces inside are equal parts. There's 10 equal parts, and I count 4 of them. Or you can also choose to use dots to resemble them. If I draw 10 dots, then I can color in 4 of these dots to represent 4 out of 10 dots are counted. So 4 over 10. All right, I'll give you one more example here. Let's go with the fraction, let's say 5 over 6, okay? 5 over 6. So I need to draw a picture that shows 6 equal parts of a whole, and I'm gonna color in, or I'm gonna count 5 parts of it. All right, so maybe I will do a square or a rectangle, and I will need to cut it up into 6 equal parts as best as I can. Maybe not the best, but that will do. And how many parts am I counting? I'm counting 5 parts, so I need to color in 5 parts of 6 here. And that resembles 5/6. You can also write it as 5/6. You may also choose to do a circle if you like. Cut it up into 6 equal parts. And I'm going to count 5 pieces to count. There you go. All right, so this should be very much a review for before spring break. It's really important that you do this review before we move on, just to refresh our memory on fractions. So make sure you do the worksheet that I've given you today, and tomorrow during our math meetings from 11 to 12, you all should have gotten an email about it. Please come to our math meetings where we'll go over the answers together. And then on Wednesday, we will move on to something different with fractions. Okay, we're going to move forward with fractions until we talk about decimals and adding and subtracting decimals. Okay, give this a shot first. Give the worksheet a shot. When you're doing the worksheet, feel free to print it out if you have a printer at home, and if you don't, that's fine. Just use a separate piece of paper and look at the questions on the screen and just write your answers on a separate piece of paper. Take a picture of your work and put it up online, and make sure you have it in front of you during our math meeting on Tuesday from 11 till 12. All right, Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to type it into our math channel, and make sure you check our math channel every day, all right? Good luck. See you during our math meeting.